Edward, Percy and the trucks. One day the engines were talking to each other at the tip of sheds. Why can't I take your coaches? 'Cause you can't. I've never trusted you and I never will. That's it. Oh, Percy, wanna take a goods train to New York City tomorrow. You know. Okay, fine. I guess I'll do it. For you. Good. The next day, Percy woke up. Percy! Oh, yeah? I was already awake for about 5 hours. Oh, I must have just woke up then. Oh, well, I'm really ready. To be honest, I just need to get my lamp checked. His lamp was now checked. This feels really, 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 really good. He said, and he huffed away. He's never gonna make it. Then there's trouble. Percy! What the hell are you doing? Sorry, Edward. Haha, that felt good. I'm gonna do that again. Who to? He was now going to the mainland. He was now on the mainland now. Where's New York? His wheels. Oh, be careful. You don't know this island. Oh well. Just let me figure out. Okay? Okay. I don't trust you. You don't trust me with anything. Only 'cause I'm the youngest. See? I'm at the coaling plant of New York, I think. He huffed under the hopper. See? Percy stopped the nonsense as the coal went in. Then there was trouble. Am I going back or are you going back? Oh crap! Help! Ow! He yelled. Where am I? Oh God. What? Percy, are you okay? Okay. I've got you. I'm really sorry for teasing you. It's okay. I'm sorry for about the golden accident. It's fine. Just forget it. Okay? Yes, just between us. Okay? Okay, Edward. What did he say? Good. Now let's go. What the? Oh my god! Hello, Edward, Percy. New York City. Yes! Edward and Percy. What's Topham Hatt? I thought he was with you two. Well, he's not, is he? He went off looking for you because you took 5 days. Wait, what? Oh, yeah. Why have you got loads of dents in your boiler? Oh, that's because loads of coal fell on me. And Edward has saved me. Ah, Edward. Well done. Now, you'll go to the works and get a new coat of paint. How would you like that? I'd love that, sir. I can see you're out of puff. So, Edward! Yay, you're back. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Thank you, sir. Henry, look at this. Oh, wow. They must be having a good time. Now I think we've reached the end now. Story by me. Voices by me. Themes by Mavis M. Thanks for watching. Bye.